I'll never know what happened to him. I don't even want to open that box now. It won't change a thing.
I wouldn't blame you if you turned back.
No. I need to know.
Evacuation flights have been rescinded. You'll stay out here all night, if that's what it takes. Find that piece before an Eidolon finds you!
Krunameta. The Eidolons are all that remains of the great sentient destroyed here. At night, its spirit rises and haunts, a mindless beast trying to rebuild itself. Watch out. If you see one, don't fight it. You can only run.
Sometimes we fail, despite our best efforts. That is unfortunate, but we should try again.
Take cover. Your Warframe is no match for that thing.
It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Kill it!
To the Grenier. Can you get to the excavation site? It has to be ended.
You have it! Onko's final piece to the Shatterlock.
There's another way out of that cave! Away from the Terrorist!
Tenno, I'm having orders pull you out. Get to the extraction point.
You think it would be that easy? Tusks! My tusks! New orders! Ignore the monster! Stop that Tenno maggot!
And so it goes. I'm sorry, little friend.